All right, YouTube, so we just arrived here on the field. I'm gonna just start up the video. I'm not gonna go ahead and take too much time here. So we have a Toyota 4Runner. This is a 1999 4Runner here. So we're gonna do our gold package to this vehicle here. Our gold package is gonna consist of a wash on the exterior, a clay bar on the exterior, and a one-step polish with our Cop Chemi and Lake Country pad. Also included with the exterior is going to be the engine bay detail. So we're going to pop the hood open, give it a good cleanse. And then for the interior, our gold package consists of the interior vacuum, of course, our shampoo for the carpets and the seats. And you guys can see right here that it's not looking too bad in here. Honestly, this is a pretty old vehicle. And back in the day, they actually made vehicles pretty simpler. So yeah, we're gonna try to shampoo all this off too and try not to overlook the door panels and stuff like that, because they do have carpet and there are some stains, that are here. They look to be, I don't think they'll come off fully just because of the year and the overall condition of the vehicle is gonna improve very slightly, honestly. And this vehicle is actually new to the client. He just wants it to be refreshed and clean for his liking and stuff like that. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and answer a quick question that you guys might be all wondering, right? So this is the gold package. This is considered, I would say, anywhere from medium to a large size vehicle. I think I quoted him for a medium because I wanted to give him a good deal. He's not too bad. So we're charging $375 for the service that we're doing here, and it'll probably take us like 2 hours. You guys saw the inside. It doesn't need a lot of vacuuming, or it doesn't have pet hair, thankfully. So this is going to be overall a pretty decently easy job for us. So it'll probably take 2 hours on this thing. Me and Edward are going to knock this out. I am recording for you guys, so it's going to probably slow me down 1 to 2 minutes, a little bit slower, but we'll still go ahead and knock this out. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go.
Take the strange variables of human life and make something out of the crazy quilt that saves hundreds of lives.
just finished washing the vehicle. Now we're gonna use our Gauntlet Rag Company towels here to dry up the 4Runner here. So we're not spraying any spray wax or anything because we are gonna polish this thing out. So we're just gonna go ahead and dry it up real quick. And these towels work amazing, you guys. I promise you, once you get these towels, you won't go back. So everyone's drying his side, and then I'm drying one side over here. All right, so now basically the 4Runner is all completely dry. We washed it, we clay barred it and everything like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this towel here to do all of the door jambs. Now, this is when the details are coming into place, right? This is where we start charging because of our expertise and stuff like that. So the engine bay was completed, right? But it's not shined up or anything like that. So that's another, you know, I guess detail. We haven't done the tires yet, which is also gonna add a lot of, you know, gloss and shine to the exterior. We also haven't polished it yet. So that's all, you know, taking into account, taking us more time and more products and tools. So we gotta be able to make sure we're charging for stuff like that. Now, the door jambs are also sprayed down, but with this towel here, I'm gonna just go ahead and just simply just wipe them down because they're not usually too bad unless you run into a vehicle that you need to bring out the steamer and stuff like that. But for the most part, what we do is we'll rinse them down and then just simply use a towel to wipe the water off and stuff like that. So don't overcomplicate it, keep it simple, make your life a lot easier. All right, so once the door jambs are complete, we're gonna go ahead and use our pump spray here with the following chemicals, because I get this question a lot. So we have 3D Upholstery carpet shampoo. We have a little bit of Super Clean mixed in there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-spray the carpets, and as we're doing that, we're just gonna let it sit. So we're gonna let it sit for a minute, you know, just let the chemicals do what they gotta do, lift up the dirt. That way when we come back with our drill and the steamer, it's a lot easier for us to remove those stains. So Edwin's also going around with the interior detailing kit, and he's gonna go ahead and just touch up the plastics in the interior and just give it a good detail. And then I'm going to polish the exterior. So that's what we're doing now after we're done. Alright, YouTube, so what I have here is my Flex cordless polisher here, battery powered, super efficient, super quick to use. So we're gonna use our Lake Country 5.5-inch pad here with our Chemi fine cut to do a quick one step on this car. So this car is gonna look super amazing. It's black, so it's gonna look super nice once we're done. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start off by polishing the hood first, and then I'll go ahead and work my way towards the back of the vehicle. So we have Edwin here. He's gonna go ahead and start detailing the inside here. Now, I would show you guys step by step how he's detailing, but it would just take way too much time. So if you guys want to see a separate video on that, comment down below, let me know so I could go ahead and schedule a car out and just simply focus on showing you guys how we detail, because it's just very time consuming and it's very meticulous. So you gotta just, you know, set a time aside and actually, you know, show you guys step by step. But like I said, comment down below if you guys want to see that. So I'm actually finishing up outside with the polish here. So paint is looking super nice. So what I'm gonna actually go ahead and do is follow up with my bead maker and then simply just give it a good wipe on the paint just to see if I missed any areas or anything like that, so it can just easily be removed with the bead maker, while also adding a little bit of extra shine and protection to the paint. So yeah, we're detailing and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the exterior, and then I'm gonna go ahead and help him with the inside, shampoo and stuff like that. And then once he's done that, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the engine open. He's gonna do the tire shine, I'm gonna do the engine bay, and then we'll both do the interior glass. So here's the vehicle. Right now, this car was freshly painted, I believe. I'm not too sure. The client just bought it, so he's not too sure when it was painted, but I went ahead and did a polish on the front end here, and it seems like it's still not ready to be paint corrected, right? So I didn't go ahead and go too aggressive or anything like that. So I did quick passes, and it just gave it a quick shine and gloss with my bead maker. So the rims here were also very, very rusty in the inside, so we made sure to clean them about 2 to 3 times. And then same thing for the rest of the vehicle, like all around the wheels. And then the trunk was also very filthy, but we went ahead and shampooed it and stuff like that. We have the floor mats in here right now, but we did shampoo it. You guys saw the video. So we're gonna go ahead and head off because we gotta get going. But I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all real quick what the results were looking like. Client already came out here, he looked at it, and he was like, wow. So if you guys aren't like, wow, like my client, then hey, I apologize, but we did our best to this vehicle. It's in pretty bad shape. This vehicle might be older than some of you guys watching this video here. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mendez Mobile Detailing. Appreciate y'all so much. And yeah, this vehicle came out super nice, man. I'm happy with the results. I really am, because it's looking nice. So appreciate y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Any questions, all the tools, all the products will be linked down below in the description box. So please make sure to check them out. Hustle never settle, you guys. Peace out. Keep moving forward. Let's go.